Oh! Bitch, you post that on Pornhub.
Wasting my gas!
Wait! Hi, sisters!
I am crippled. I just got surgery on my knee, and they like took a tendon out of my hamstring and just kind of threw it in there as like a new ACL because I broke my old one. So we went to Walmart, and I can't really walk, so we got like the old people chairs. We got chocolate milk. We got cheese, slime. Why don't you get me beach? What is that?
Strawberry brisk. No, it was Christmas.
Did you actually? Wait, oh my god, did you actually just pierce? Final walk home.
I've been in the bathroom, made a mess on the wall.
I didn't fully piss myself, so it's fine. Do you have your piercing gun on you?
Oh, they're all single use.
Yeah.
Did you have to order them?
No, they're just go to Sally's.
No balls do what?
I just heard it. It was kind of loud.
We'll be back.
Bye, baby. Bye.
I gotta get the lettuce out of my hair. Yes!
See, bitch. Honestly, just cut left through the rest.
Okay, ride his ass up the hill.
Oh, yes! Push the door down. I love opening doors. This is what I trained for.
Jesus Christ! You guys are crackheads! Slime crackheads! Oh my god! Oh, here he comes! Hi, sisters!
Oh, freaking freckle. Hey, Nolly.
Get down! Aaron!
Aaron, let us in.
Oh my god, your brother is a beefcake. Holy fuck. Is he single? Those are some hairy toes. Hannah's gonna take over for a little bit. She's gonna do the haul. I'll try not to yell. Oh, wait, I'm doing it? Okay, so let's start here. This is my space slime kit. I already ripped into it because I'm really excited about the glitter stars that come with it. We got glue, lotion, saline solution. Yes, I am. Just chill. Anyways, chocolate milk, Triscuits. Where's the fucking cheese that I didn't want to pay for? There's cheese that I refused to pay for. This is why I didn't want to buy it.
What's that on top?
I'm really sweaty still. Oh fuck, okay.
Sweetie, it's okay. The button that's
Oh my god.
Sorry, I just looked at it.
I just eat cheese while y'all do this.
Yeah.
Can I
Kind of like heavier cheese.
Are you doing slime or are
Yeah.
you cooking?
Both. Honestly, you might as well.
I'm making cinnamon
No,
buns.
you can't eat this. It says do not eat.
It comes with little stars. They're really cute.
Dude, usually I like sweat like a mother effer.
Y'all do you. I'm gonna eat.
Brenna's already a slime master.
Oh, that's right. Why are we listening to such like a raunchy song as we're making slime?
I know, as we're literally 4-year-olds, like, oh my god, I hate this. It makes me want to pee. That doesn't make sense.
Jeez.
Are you good?
Oh, I'm so good.
Have you ever heard anyone say cocoa instead of cocoa?
Angel. Yes.
Angel.
She can't even spell though. You expect her to talk?
What's your name on YouTube?
It's just Vicky.
Oh wait, you're filming. I forgot.
What's the Y and the
Did you like
Z?
my grandma's from Germany? She just went there.
Could you please talk like a little bit slower?
Be nice to him. He's speaking a completely
Why does it
different
say we only
language.
have 8?
No views. That's so sad.
It was from today.
Are you sure that I should watch 8 minutes?
Yeah, oh, it's worth it.
1 like, 1 dislike.
Who just liked it?
I
You really left because he was so annoying.
I'm sorry for that.
Well, he gets to miss out on the cheese. Fuck you, Aaron.
Fun and fresh.
Oh wait,
Do you want to
I
sit
don't
with
think I'm
us?
in the frame.
You're gonna make
Sorry?
some
Do
slime.
you want to sit with us or are you going to go to bed?
Oh, I don't want to sit with you, but I don't want to go to bed.
I know. What do you need for Halloween?
Huh?
Halloween.
I don't know.
No, I'm good. Have you seen Shrek? Did you hear about the Derek Star thing?
Do you want me to stir for
I'm sorry.
Slow
I'm sorry.
down,
Okay.
please. Wow.
Good story, I know. Yeah, I was also.
Sticky.
I'm your cameraman now.
Yeah.
I love this.
Wait, it's still too slimy. You guys didn't make it like prime slime.
Bro,
Prime
it's getting
slime
there. Chill.
Let me get one cinnamon buns so loud right now.
This is ASMR. It like relaxes people. Just this slime.
Yeah. Every.
I got slime on my sleeve.
I watch. I follow hashtag ASMR on Instagram.
Hannah, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Hannah, what are you doing, sweetie?
3 girls, 1 bowl.
Bullshit. Fuck that slime kid. Do not recommend.
No, I really don't.
It's not even
about to happen.
Keep
Shit.
your hands.
Wait, I have something.
Are you sure you're not trying?
My sister.
No, she never pees.
Bruh, I'm covered in slime.
Like solid form.
You, that's it's like, wait.
So I just changed, and I don't know why.
I have a Harry Potter.
Wait, Hero, I'm gonna put you on.
So you added too much shaving cream and you ruined my slime.
What a wacko.
Did I ruin your slime?
And I farted.
Good night.
We ended the night with some Shrek. Now we're leaving. It's like 2:30 a.m. Good night. Harmony's gonna drive me home. You napped throughout the whole second movie of Shrek, which is one of the best ones.
It is the best track.